So I just want to show you, as often happens when you're routing, because the router bit is round, when you do a square, you get rounded corners, and so this won't fit in there. So I'm just going to lay this on top of there, mark where I need to cut out, and I'm going to use my razor knife to cut across the grain, right, because the chisel might do a little more damage, and then and probably score it both directions, from the top and across, just to square this corner off right here, right, all four corners, and then use my chisel up under it, actually like this, to get that out. So let me do that. I'll show you what it looks like.